Hi there, today we are going to learn about global wind patterns. So here I have a diagram of Earth's surface and I'm going to write the name of the belts of the Earth's surface according to their location. Okay, that's the equator. That is the centermost line. This is known as equator. We will mention it as 0 degree north. 0 degree only. And the line above the equator is Tropic of Cancer and it is mentioned as 30 degree north. Above the Tropic of Cancer, we are going to talk about the Arctic Circle, which is 60 degree north, and the curved end of the Earth is North Pole, which is represented as 90 degree north. And it is similar to the below the part of the equator, but we are going to replace the north with south, which would become the Tropic of Cancer, and 30 degrees south, Arctic Circle 60 degrees south, and South Pole 90 degree south. Now we are finished and are familiar with these bells, so we're going to learn global wind patterns. Okay, we start with the introduction. So in these days, we are realizing that there is uneven heating of the earth. What is causing this uneven heating, and what is this uneven heating? So we can start it about here, and this uneven heating up of earth is causing global wind patterns. So imagine if we place the sun here. Look at the picture carefully. Now see, the sun rays are directly to the equator as compared to the area. So the area comparatively to the other belts is less here. See, the area is less comparatively to the other belts. So the area comparative to the other belts is less here, like area is less but heating is more, which will cause the equator air to rise and will create low pressure area. So it would be called equatorial low. The warm air rises towards the Tropic of Cancer, north and south, which would spread and expand towards the north and south Tropic of Cancer. There will be less heat in the tropical region. There will be less heat comparatively to the equator, because here area increases but the heat is same. See, here the area is decreases but the heat is constant. Here area increases but the heat is same as compared to the equator. So the air would become cooler in the tropical region as compared to the equator. So we take an example on. For instance, on one hand we have to prepare the tea for a person, and on the other hand we are going to make the tea for 3 persons. So which would take more time? That is obvious that the tea we are preparing for the 3 persons will take most time. But why? Now, if we compare the area of bells to the raw material, the area of the bells to the raw material we used to make the tea. We used in tea. If we compare the area of bell to the raw material we use in tea, that is equator area is similar to the 1 person's tea raw material, and the other bell's area similar to the 3 persons tea raw material. Here, the energy, that is heat energy, is the same in both cases, which will lead the 1 person's tea to be prepared earlier than the 3 person one. Okay, I hope it's clear to you all. The warm air rises, spreads or expands toward the Tropic of Cancer and the other belts. Now the cooler air sinks. Now here the cooler air sinks when the warm air reaches the tropical region. It started becoming cooler and started to sink and come back to the equator. This cycle repeats itself again and again, and the air at the polar regions. See, the air at the polar regions. Here, the air is about to sink. But due to curved surface, it starts expanding and spreading. And here the warmth air and here the cold air comes to converge. They are going to converge, and this causes global wind patterns. So it will sink by due to the curved surface. It would not heat the poles but expand and spread towards the equator, and this cycle is going to repeat itself, which causes global wind patterns. Now I hope this phenomena is clear to you all. If you like it, please make a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks.